The 2026 Honda XL750 Transalp E-Clutch marks a significant evolution in Honda's middleweight adventure lineup, introducing new technology aimed at simplifying the riding experience without sacrificing performance. Positioned as a versatile all-rounder, the updated Transalp builds on its reputation as a capable machine for both on-road touring and light off-road exploration. At the heart of the motorcycle is a 755 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, delivering around 90 horsepower with a smooth and responsive power delivery. The engine retains its engaging character, offering a balance between everyday usability and dynamic performance, making it suitable for a wide range of riders from beginners to experienced adventurers. The headline feature for 2026 is Honda's innovative E-Clutch system, which allows riders to change gears without manually operating the clutch lever. Unlike a fully automatic transmission, the system preserves the traditional foot-operated gear shifting while electronically managing clutch engagement, resulting in smoother starts, seamless shifts, and reduced rider fatigue in various riding conditions. In real-world riding scenarios, the E-Clutch system proves particularly beneficial in urban traffic and off-road environments. It minimizes the risk of stalling and provides more controlled low-speed handling, while still allowing riders to revert to manual clutch operation if desired. This flexibility ensures that the system enhances accessibility without removing rider control. Chassis and suspension updates further improve the Transalp's versatility, with fully adjustable Showa components delivering better stability and comfort across different terrains. The 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheel combination reinforces its off-road capability while maintaining composed handling on paved roads. The motorcycle is equipped with a range of modern electronics, including multiple riding modes, traction control, a 5-inch TFT display, and smartphone connectivity via Honda RoadSync. These features are designed to enhance convenience and safety, while keeping the overall user interface intuitive and rider-friendly. Despite minor drawbacks such as the absence of cruise control and the use of tube tires, the 2026 Transalp E-Clutch stands out as one of the most well-rounded motorcycles in its class. With its blend of innovative technology, balanced performance, and approachable nature, it represents a forward-thinking step in the evolution of adventure motorcycles.